Like other Black Mirror episodes, White Bear serves as a cautionary tale of systems that use technologies to build on their power and social control. In this episode, we follow the story of Victoria, a young woman who wakes up confused in an undisclosed location, where she is being filmed by groups of people hypnotized by a widely transmitted signal. Unable to remember anything about her past, Victoria finds and holds on to the picture of a little girl, which she uses to try to find answers about the situation in which she finds herself in. Upon encountering a group of other unaffected individuals, Victoria starts being persecuted by a group of hunters who are out to kill her. Still confused and unsure of what is going on, Victoria is convinced to join her crew members in a mission to travel to the White Bear Tower and shut the signal off. Once in the tower, a confetti gun explosion leads up to the big reveal. Victoria is in Justice Park, a sort of theme park where tourists take an active role in exercising justice. Victoria was convicted for filming the murder of the aforementioned little girl, who was brutally killed by Victoria's white boyfriend. As punishment, Victoria is condemned to relive the details of her crime through subtle messages, such as the video cameras and the reference to the little girl's white bear plush toy. At the end of the episode, Victoria's memory is erased clear, leaving her ready to be punished by other future tourists. Through their money, presence, and active engagement with the prison system, the tourists of Justice Park give legitimacy to a system that profits and amasses power from the spectacle of black pain and suffering. As non-juridical actors, the white spectators of Victoria's suffering participate in a system of punishment that, as Foucault explains in Discipline and Punish, is tightly bound to a certain political economy of the body. To understand the political economy of the black body within the context of White Bear, it is possible to recur to Saidiya Hartman's Scenes of Subjection and its exploration of the metamorphosis of racial subjugation. Hartman explains that the desire to don, occupy, or possess blackness or the black body as a site of excess enjoyment is rooted in the material relations of chattel slavery. Moreover, Hartman argues that the enjoyment and diversion over black suffering during slavery also served to define the relationship between the dominant and enslaved race. Through what she labels as the property of entertainment, Hartman establishes a connection between the feelings of pleasure and possession that secured relations of bondage white people over black people. Black bodies are thus seen as something to be possessed precisely because they have the potential, as objects to inspire diversion and entertainment. In White Bear, fears over who has control over knowledge in the criminal justice system are amplified to the demise of black people. Although Victoria is technically free to move and run around, she is also incapacitated by her knowledge, or lack thereof, of the situation in which she is in. White Bear thus imagines a future where prisons' powers allow them to develop technologies capable of directly controlling knowledge and the memory of prisoners, who are stripped of their own sense of identity, conscience, and autonomy.